Hello, how are you? I am back again because today I want to tell you about the brand new QVC Elemis Today's Special Value. That's right, it's the time we've all been waiting for, a brand new skincare bundle. I'm not gonna lie, I really need this in my life. And it is such a good deal, so let me tell you about it. It launches on the 8th of February and it ends at midnight on the 11th of February. So as always, you only have a couple of days to buy it. It is worth a whopping £246. That's right, £246. So much that I just had to check my cheat sheet. And it's being sold for £73.96. Now I know what you're going to say, that's a big saving. It's over £172 off, no joke. That's amazing. So let me show you what you get. So first up we have the Pro Collagen Marine Cleansing Balm, and this is in the rose scent. I love this one. It smells so beautiful. It's such a luxurious product. It's absolutely gorgeous. And this is a 50ml tub, so it's going to last you ages. Next up, we have a 100ml tube of the Pro Collagen Marine Mask. Again, love this stuff. It's so good. Then we have the Pro Collagen Glow Boost Exfoliator. I've never used this one, so I'm really looking forward to giving this one a go. And again, a 100ml tube, nice and generous. And then finally, hello. There it is. Hello, lover. So no Elemis QVC Today's Special Value would be complete without a Pro Collagen Marine Cream. We all know this product. We all love this product. It's the best. And this is a 30-gram pot, which means it usually retails for £64. So I can tell you that the box is worth only £12 more, which basically makes it all free. Girl math, you know, all of that kind of thing. Anyway, it's an amazing deal. I think it's incredible. I'm so excited about it. It launches on the 8th of Feb and I just really wanted to show it to you. Anyway, I'm in my old man shirt, so I best go. I can't linger too long when I'm looking like this, but I just thought I'd share it and I hope you love it as much as I do. Oh, all the links and also my refer a friend code are in the description box. So if you're new to QVC, don't forget you can get £10 off your first order. And if you do use my affiliate link, it helps me out a lot. So thank you very much for that. Okay, I'm really going now. Bye.